if z1 and z2 are two complex numbers such that mod z1 is equal to z2 and argument of z1 plus argument of z2 is equal to argument of z1 plus argument of z2 is equal to pi, then z1 is equal to among the four options. So let us consider, let argument of z1 is equal to theta 1 and argument of z2 is equal to theta 2, so that it is given theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to pi. And let's consider z1 is equal to mod z1 of cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 and z2 is equal to mod z2 of cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. So with z2 bar we can write it as mod z2 cos theta 2 minus I sin theta 2. It's a conjugate. Now let's consider z1. z1 is equal to, and since it is given that mod z1 is equal to mod z2, so I can write mod z2 cos of, and theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to pi, so we can write theta 1 as a pi minus theta 2 plus I sin of pi minus theta 2, so which equals to mod z2 cos pi minus theta will come minus cos theta 2 here, and I sin pi minus theta in the second quadrant, sign is positive, so plus I sin theta 2, so which equals to mod z2, and minus if I take common you will be getting cos theta 2 minus I sin theta 2, and since mod z2 of cos theta 2 minus I sin theta 2 is a z2 bar, so we can write this is minus z2 bar, and so we can give the answer third option is correct.